All right, so we're going to have a little talk today. My father-in-law, who meant very well, I think, got taken. You guys tell me what you think. So this says New York Mint. Okay, it's not a U.S. mint. The 4 U.S. mints right now are Philadelphia, Denver, San Francisco, and West Point. So they're not saying they're a U.S. mint, but it's kind of making it seem like that, right? Okay. Now, when you open this up, look at the size of this huge coin. It's supposed to be kind of a peace dollar design. And front and back, it looks like the peace dollar. Okay, but I think this is making you think you were getting something a lot more than you're really getting. So if you look closely on this, now that is normal to say, "In God we trust" with the VST. Okay, so that looked odd at first, but that is what the peace dollar looks like. But look how it spells liberty. L-I-R. See how they hid that right at the top there? So that's either a bad mistake or intentional to make it so that you just think you're reading liberty when it says liberty. Okay. Then on the back side, this is where the coin would normally say $1. And so instead it says that it is 2 ounce 9995 in silver. Well, if you know that a 1 ounce coin is about yay big, this makes you believe you're getting this huge piece of silver and it's worth a lot of money. Now, they're not lying to you. When you look at the card, it says Certificate of Authenticity. We certify that this piece proof is an oversized reproduction issued by the New York Mint and meets the following specifications. Date 1922 to 1925. Okay, wait, I thought we were 1921 down there. Okay. 1922 to 2025. Reverse proof, that's why it would be shiny here. That's what they call a proof coin. Okay. And then they're not lying. Weight, they're going to give it to you in grams, so you don't know the difference between a gram and an ounce, and you think you're getting a lot. So they go, it's 63.798 grams of silver. Okay. Then look at the weight of the brass core, 360 grams. So it's basically a piece of brass and it's covered in silver. It's silver plated. Okay. And they give you the diameter and the mintage. Okay. So I feel bad because I think my father-in-law thought he was really stumbled upon a huge deal here. You know, this huge silver coin. Says silver right on the back, but if you look, 2 ounce. They're not lying to you. It's 2 ounces, and you know if you look at it, it looks pretty legit. It looks like pretty similar to the peace dollar, other than them not spelling it right. But anyway, tell me what you guys think. Is this legit, or do you think he got taken? You know, where spot price on silver lately has gone up to, $50 an ounce, you might get $100 out of this coin to the right person. I think he paid a lot more than that, so I feel kind of bad. So anyway, let me know your thoughts. Thanks, guys.